Loving the sound of rain after yesterday's heat wave.
We are currently in the freight train.